Learners, welcome to Cash Education. Today in this video we'll see how to draw a column chart in Microsoft Excel in 1 second. So we are starting a new series for Microsoft Excel learners. Let's see how to draw it. First I will go to a regular Microsoft Excel sheet. Okay, so here now I have my dummy data kept here. These are the different tabs on the Excel worksheet that you have. Page layout, formula, insert, and each tab has a small group. So these individual parts here are groups, like you have the font group, the alignment group, the number group, the styles group, etc. And each tab or this set of groups is called as a ribbon. So this is a home ribbon that I have. Now I'll show you my data. So this is a dummy data highlighting sales for different months, January, February, March, and for the different types of products. Now what we are going to learn is how to draw a column chart. So how do we go about with this is, we put the data and we select it. So select your whole data like this way, and then with one click in 1 second you will have your data ready. Press Alt plus F1 and you see you've got your column chart. Okay, so that it is so simple. I'll show you again. Select your data from the keyboard, press Alt and F1 and you've got yourself your most simple column chart here. Okay, it has the axis ready, it has a chart title, it is showing the sales in different months for different products. Now you can customize this chart with the use of chart elements, which will be put up in the following videos. So if you like this, give it a try, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have other requests, do put them in the comment section. Thank you.